welcome to my channel. I am Christina Danielle. If you guys are new here and if you're already a supporter, thank you so much. I really do appreciate all the continued support. So today's video is a inspired look. I got this off of Instagram. I think it's the Wake Up and Makeup Instagram page, and I'll put like the official person, her Instagram, in this video where I got this look from. But it's super easy, super quick for like those last minute like costume ideas that's still like glam look. So I'm going to show you guys in this video how I achieved this entire look. I only spent about $10. I purchased the hat and I purchased the shirt from Walmart for a total of $10, and the rest I had already in my makeup collection. I will be using the Perception palette by Makeup Shayla and with her collab in ColourPop to achieve this look, well, the eye look anyway. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But before I get into it, make sure you give my video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Okay guys, so I have my face with concealer on. I have foundation and things like that. I've got concealer on my eyelids for my primer, and that's all I've done to my face. Okay, so now I'm going to start the eyeshadow process. Okay, so for the eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using Makeup Shayla's Perception palette. Okay, lately I've been using this palette a whole bunch, like I'm low-key obsessed with this palette. So first I'm going to go in with Revenge, and I'm going to be using the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH32 brush, and I'm going to come through with Revenge. So that's Revenge right there, and I'm going to put Revenge in my crease. So that's Revenge. It's really pretty dark, like almost a burnt orange, and I'm gonna do that for the other eye as well. So that's Revenge. So then I'm gonna come through with Shade, and it's this really dark purple right here that has shimmer in it, and I'm gonna go on top of that crease to give it like some depth, and then in the corner. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same for the other eye, just to darken it up a bit. So I just dab in that corner, and then we'll push it through my crease. Okay, so then I'm gonna take the JH30 brush and just blend all of that together. Okay, can you guys see? Alright, so then I'm going to come through with Strut and Slay. So that's that color right here. And I'm going to lay that all over my lid. So these colors in this palette are very pigmented, as you guys can see. Now I'm just taking it over, getting that blender brush and just blending that through. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take the JH33 brush. I think I just used that, and then I'm gonna take Shade again, and then just smoke it out just a hit. Okay, and then take the Beast Mode blender again and blend it out. Okay, so that's really it for the eyes, you guys. I'm just gonna kind of hold on for now, and then I'm going to add my winged eye. Okay, so I'm using this one. I love this type of tip. Like, it works really well for me as far as my winged eyes goes. So I'm gonna put on this winged eye. Okay, so that's my winged eye. So then I'm going to take some eyeliner, and this is the Maybelline, and it has like a bit of glitter in there, and then I'm going to line my under eye. Alright, now I'm going to add some mascara, and I am going to be putting on eyelashes, and I'm just using the Great Lash from Maybelline. It's old school, so I'm just going to apply that. Okay, so now I'm gonna start the actual drawing part, okay, to make it actually look like. Okay, so for starters, I'm gonna take and I'm gonna draw a line straight down. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna go through 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's my first. So then I'm gonna kind of draw like a tear duct type of circle on my nose. Then I'm gonna take it and put lines through that as well. Okay, like that. So now I'm gonna go to my mouth. So now I'm gonna take my smudge brush and I'm gonna get that color right here, which is thick, and I'm gonna apply that to the inside of my nose. So now I'm just gonna go over my lines to make sure they're dark. Okay, so that's that. So now I'm gonna take some blush, apply that to my cheeks. I should have did that like earlier, but I totally forgot and I'm just now thinking of it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of blush. And you want it to kind of be like rosy type looking, if that makes any sense. So okay, so now I'm gonna go get the eyelashes and put them on, and once I finish putting them on, I'll be back to finish up the look. Okay guys, so I decided not to put on eyelashes. I just put on a whole bunch of mascara. When we actually go trick-or-treating, that's when I will add my eyelashes. So right now I'm just adding some light brown lip liner to my lips and filling it in with my Huda lipstick in the nude color. I'm going through and making sure my stitches and my lines are like black and prominent so you can see. I actually wish I would have used like liquid liner. So if you do this look, liquid liner will probably work better. Alright, so that's the final makeup look. Now I'm going to add a straw hat and put my hair in pigtails, and I'm going to intertwine some straw in between the pigtails and twist it in my hair. And that's really all to the look. It's super easy and so cute, you guys. And I have a little scarecrow, so if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram and I will show you guys the full outfit of my Halloween costume. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.